In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stickers in iOS 17 or later easily for iMessage. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your messages or just want to have fun with your photos, this is a great way to get creative. So let's dive right in and explore how you can transform your favorite photos into custom stickers in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll need to choose a photo that you want to turn into a sticker. Start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. Browse through your library and pick a photo that features a clear subject, whether it's a person, a pet, or perhaps an interesting object. The key here is to ensure that the subject stands out clearly, as this makes it easier to extract it from the background for your sticker. Once you've chosen the perfect photo, it's time to lift the subject. This is where iOS 17's intuitive design makes the process so smooth and effortless. Simply tap and hold on the subject within the photo. You'll notice a glowing outline forming around the subject. This indicates that the app is detecting the edges of your chosen subject, preparing it to be lifted from the backdrop. Shortly after, a notification will pop up on your screen with two options: copy or add sticker. For our purposes today, we'll focus on adding this as a sticker. Go ahead and tap on add sticker. This action will save the extracted subject directly into your sticker resources, making it readily available for you to use whenever you need. You might be wondering where you can find this newly created sticker. Don't worry, it's in your Messages app. Next, open the Messages app and navigate to the Stickers panel. You can do this by tapping the plus icon or accessing the sticker drawer, depending on how your interface is set up. Once you're in the Stickers panel, you'll find your custom sticker right there, standing ready for use. It's now as simple as dragging it into your conversation to add some fun, personalized flair to your chats. This new sticker making feature in iOS 17 provides a delightful and seamless way to express yourself through your messages. Play around with different photos to discover the variety of stickers you can create, and don't hesitate to get creative with your choices. Whether you're sending a smile from your dog or a unique shot of a colourful coffee mug, the possibilities are endless. These steps make the process straightforward even for beginners and allow you to keep your conversations lively and personal. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to turn your favourite photos into custom stickers for iMessage. Enjoy bringing a personal touch to your messages and sharing a bit of your world with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and happy sticker making.